guys, so I have a tip I want to share with y'all. Now, I just posted my whack CVS video. I just posted it, and I wasn't gonna post it, but I was just like, look, sometimes it just be like that, like sometimes. And so I have a tip to share with y'all as far as Walmart, Ibotta, trying to see which rebates qualify with certain items. You know, I know sometimes we'll have items that shouldn't qualify, but that do qualify, and you have items that will double attach on Ibotta. So this is a tip that I've always used so that you can check at home without waiting to get into the store. And so basically for this, you need Blockcityips, which is a website where you can, it's an inventory checker website. And I use that to find the UPC through Ibotta to see, you know, what qualifies, if there's anything double attaching. And so that's what I usually do. And I love this method because you could do it from home. Like I'm a lot of the times I'll be in bed. I haven't got out of bed yet, and I'll be just, you know, running UPCs to see if anything is, you know, working. And so, okay, first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Walmart. I'm gonna put in something that I know is on Ibotta. Depends. And so we're gonna click that. It was double attaching. The $10 one did not reset for me, so I can't see if it's still double attaching, but if you wanna see if it's double attaching for you, I'm gonna scroll through to one. Which one did I get yesterday? I'm gonna pick the one that I got yesterday. I don't even see the one that I got yesterday. I think it wasn't that one. I don't see the one I got yesterday. Click the item, and then we're gonna click the little download icon right to the right of it, and then we're gonna click copy. Okay, and then we're gonna go out, and we're gonna go to, and I just did this, so it's probably gonna be still there. Let me just go back. We're gonna click the 3 horizontal lines at the top right. We're gonna click inventory checker, Walmart. And then we're gonna click the SKU, and we're gonna hold and paste that description that we just got from the Walmart website. And we're gonna, the numbers at the back, that's the SKU, okay? So we're gonna erase everything that's in front of that. We're gonna delete. Okay, and then we're gonna click check inventory. This is how we're gonna get the UPC, and we're gonna use that UPC to run through Ibotta. Okay, and then we're gonna go, and we're gonna click the UPC, and we're gonna cut it out. And we're gonna copy it, and then we're gonna take it over to Ibotta, which actually, hold on. Yeah, let's take it to Ibotta. And like I said, this method I like because you don't have to be in the store, and you don't have to be like worrying about what's the UPC. I remember way back before I learned this method, I would actually go to upc.com. I think it was a upc.com, and to find the UPCs on certain items, but that wasn't always guaranteed. And then we're gonna click the little barcode, and we're gonna click having trouble, enter barcode manually. And then we're gonna paste it. Okay, paste the UPC, and it'll tell you what qualifies. And as you can see, that one does. Like I said, I like this method because it's super easy. Let me do another one. We'll do the Swagbucks. We'll do that one. I think that's a deal that I might do in my next Walmart video. Let's see, Swagbucks. I think I'm pronouncing it right. I think I used to pronounce it Swagbucks. All right, we're gonna click the first one here. For $11.60, I think that one we're price matching. We'll be price matching. I'll be price matching that one in my next video. Again, download button. We're going to copy it. I think this method is also good because it helps save you time in the store. So for me, if I want to check different scents or different colors and see which ones qualify, I mean, because all of them may not qualify, and so it saves time than actually being in the store. We go back to Brickseek and we paste the description, and then we'll cut out everything in front of the numbers. Okay, I did this on my desktop as well. I'm trying to hurry up because like everybody's home right now. Josiah's upstairs playing his game. Joseph's upstairs playing his music, and my dad's in his room. Then we're going to cut out everything in front of the numbers. I didn't want this video to be super long. Check inventory. My phone is just going super slow today. It's not even, I think it's because I'm recording. Okay, and then we cut the UPC out, copy, and then we go to Ibotta. Okay, and we paste it. And then we see, yeah. So this method, again, I like because of that. And I actually really like using this method when we have rebates for like Revlon or CoverGirl, because it gives you a chance to see, like, you can run all of the UPCs at home in your free time or whatever, so that when you go, you already know which colors and shades are working for the rebate. And so again, as always, I hope this tip helps. If it does, and if it's something that you just learned today, then let me know in the comments, and I will see you next video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching.